Good morning, this is Nala Bushcraft and I'm Scout. Today we're going to talk about survival kits and the what if situations to go with it. The primary uses of survival kits are for home, outdoors, vehicle, or on your person. We're going to talk about what needs to be in your first aid kit or in your survival kit, which is a 7 C's, which covers combustion, cutlery, your care, your cover, your cordage, your container, and your compass. Now, most of the stuff is self-explanatory. Like cordage, it's rope. Just simply rope. And I tell my students, rope has 1,000,000 uses, a knife has 1,000 uses, and a gun only has 2 uses. I won't get into guns. And knives, you just have to use them to get into liking them, because they are very useful. But rope, I find the master of all my tools. Remember, it is said the more you know, the less you carry. And 2, refill and swap out the good gear with great gear. The gear you're depending on for each situation as to where I am or where I'm going. Especially in my situation, I'm going to go out to the outdoors. I'm going to carry a compass, cutlery, cordage, first aid kit, which is my care, combustion, which is a lighter, and you want to practice what if scenarios. A what if scenario is like this. Be realistic. And if you can play by yourself, great. If you can play with someone else, even better. But what if scenario is simply this. I'm out in the woods. I'm walking, I'm lost. What do? Well, simple realistic answer is use a whistle. And I'll even put a more unrealistic example in there. I'm facing a herd of wild buffaloes, which in Alabama, there's not. But if you can keep it realistic, where you plan, you adapt, you survive, and you come out alive, you're doing good. This is Alan from Nala Bushcraft, also known as Scout. Be safe, have fun out there. Thank you.